here's the blow dryer. As you can see, it looks brand new. I only used it for maybe 5 times. All the pieces are here. Never even used these two right here, just this one. It no longer blows out hot air. I don't know why. Plugged it into different outlets and same thing. Bought it in the end of June. Now it doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It's past the statute of return, so it says. So I feel like I should be returned at least half my money, put it on my Amazon account. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I just thought I would mention it. It's not doing me any good blowing out cold air. But okay, I'll see what you want to do. Thank you anyway.
It just stopped working. I didn't have it for that many days. I just got it. It worked for like 2 days. And I'll go try to use it 2 weeks later. Here you go.
Hello friends, here we have our Conair 1875 styler. We had 3 attachments, so we have the small one here, and we have this one, and we have a brush. It has nice safety features. I love those. You have your cool button there that's in blue. You got your low, your off, and your high settings here. So there's your low, off, high, back off. And then here's your instructions. And what I like about this is everything is spelled out really nice. So it tells you to stop. If you don't have a GFCI fault system, you know it'll say install that in the bathroom before you use it. So I really like this. I've used these before many times. They last a long time. So I would recommend this, and I give it a 10 out of 10. This is Sandra B. signing off, and have a great day. Bye.
So here is the dryer. But when I turn it on, the motor, well, before I get started, the motor will ramp up and then it'll cut itself off. It won't do it on the low. Kind of loud, but definitely on the high. This isn't right. it overheats to the point where you can't touch it, and I'm afraid that it's going to start a fire.
Así que para mí no es bueno. Fue pérdida de tiempo y gastadera de dinero.
As you can see, the attachment is not secure. It comes off very loosely. It's very upsetting.